Your home's gutters play a very vital role in keeping it safe from a wildfire. Unmaintained gutters can collect combustible debris such as leaves and pine needles, which can easily ignite and spread fire to your roof. Installing gutter guards can save you the headache of constantly having to clean your gutters and bring peace of mind about your home's safety during wildfire season. Gutter guard installation is a project you can do yourself. However, if your roof is particularly high or steep, consider getting your gutter guards professionally installed. It's important to know that there are several types of gutter guards. Plastic or metal screens are the most common, but metal screens are more fire resistant and are recommended over plastic screens in wildfire-prone areas. These screens work by being wedged into place between the gutter's edge and the lower edge of the roof. Surface tension guards can be more difficult to install, but are long-lasting and require little to no maintenance once installed. Fine mesh guards work similarly to screens, but block out even more debris. These guards are easy to install. Simply clip the screen lip to the front of the gutter, then slide the backside under your roof's shingles. Continue as needed, overlapping gutter mesh sections by at least ½ inch. Installation instructions vary by type, but typically only require general handyman skills. The tools required may vary based on the type of guard you choose, but a sturdy ladder, measuring tape, and cordless power drill will help you get the job done. Installing gutter guards is just one way you can help harden your home to wildfires. To learn more about fireproofing your home, visit mercuryinsurance.com or talk to your local insurance agent.